YouTube, what is y'all doing? I'm back again with another video. And I told y'all the next video was going to be an unboxing video. So here we are. It's time for me to get a new phone. So I went ahead, I pulled the trigger. I picked up the Oneplus 9 Pro. I'm recording this on my Oneplus 7 Pro. The reason why I'm moving on from this phone is because the battery is kind of old. I've had it for almost a couple years. And the battery is kind of going bad on me. And I'm just ready to upgrade and try something new. With that being said, boom, we got the Oneplus 9 Pro. Now I'm gonna go ahead and say this phone, straight out buying it full price, you're looking at about $1,200. That's too much money. Okay, any phone over $1,000 is gonna be way too much money. But that's not stopping nobody from buying these phones. Y'all still going out there and buying them. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. This portion of the video is probably just going to be an unboxing. I don't know. We might throw some cinematic clips in there, some day-to-day usage. I don't know. Also, too, pre-ordered the phone and they threw headphones in. You never going to buy an iPhone and they going to throw some headphones in. Just keep that in mind before y'all start. I know it's a lot of iPhone fanboys out there. You're not going to get that with an iPhone. Anyway, let's get into it. Y'all can see the nice Oneplus box is red. Oneplus loves the red colors. Pull out the red blade. Let's see. See if we can get in there. Okay, there you go. There it is, y'all. See if I can get it out of here. I'm making mistakes because I'm trying to do this while looking at the camera. Now, I did get the pine green edition. I just thought this color looked really nice compared to the other ones. I mean, that's a really beautiful phone. I'm going to sit it to the side and we're going to see what else is in the box. Y'all already know what they put in the box. Your usual chargers and whatnot. Let me see. Oh, it's a tab right here. You pull up on. Something in here. Semi-Jackson removal tool. Some documents. Oneplus stickers. Books, all the fun stuff. Put that over to the side. You got your charging cable in there. I apologize, my watch keep going off. Charging cable, nice red color. And look at that, they even put the charger in the box. Something that Apple and Samsung ain't doing right now. So you pick up one of these, you get all of this. Stuff that should come with the phone. Let's move all this out of the way. Boom. Take another look at that bag. Power it up. It's got some juice in it. I might have to put it on the charger. Oh, I just felt it. There we go. Y'all can see my ring light in the camera. Okay, there you go, the startup screen. It does feel a lot smaller than my Oneplus 7 Pro. I will say that in the hand, but it's a lot more screen here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get it turned on, hooked up, and then we could go through it and see what's changed in the new UI with the Oneplus. So I'll be back with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, I got the phone set up. I tinkered around with it for a little bit. Off the top, that display is just amazing. That's the best display I've ever seen on a smartphone I've ever owned. It's really smooth, buttery smooth. You just can't put it into words how smooth the display is. Let me go ahead and log in. So yeah, this display, like, look at that. I don't even know if the camera's doing it justice, but like, you can't beat that display. I am. One of the things that I don't like off the top though is I don't know, I guess it feels a lot different in the hand than I thought it would. I'm not gonna say I don't like it. It's just gonna take some getting used to. Um, but yeah, it's just a really nice display on here. Before I give it an honest review, I'm gonna have to use it for a couple of days. I did go ahead and get kind of signed in and everything, but I'm gonna have to use it for a couple of days before I can give it an honest review. Off the top, it's seeming like a keeper. The camera does look good. The Hasselblad camera on the back. I'm not sure if it's as good as they hyped it up to be, but it is definitely a good looking camera on the back. And I'm sorry for the glare. But there it is, guys. This wasn't intended to be a long video. Depending on how this does, I'll probably go more in depth and tell y'all how I feel about the phone, after I've used it for some days. But that's it for it. That's the OnePlus 9 Pro in pine green. I haven't seen a lot of videos where people have actually done the pine green. Let me wipe it off. Get that sticker off of there too. I haven't seen a lot of videos where people have actually reviewed the pine green, but like it's this matte satin type feel, and it's just a really nice color. Feels good in the hand. I did pick up some cases, and it looks like OnePlus was nice enough to throw a screen protector on here. I don't know how well y'all can see that. But yeah, I'm really digging this phone right now. But it's gonna take a couple days before I can really get acquainted with it and see, all the shortcomings and mishaps. But just from the initial use, it's really good. I did get a case. I don't know, just some Amazon case. I'll leave a link to that in the description if anybody want to pick it up. But only thing about putting it in the case is it has the color that's on the back. But I do have a clear case as well that's on the way. So I guess since we already here, let's just go ahead and unbox the headphones. Why not? Let's see. See if we can get in here. Should it be enough? Now, I've never actually owned a pair of wireless earphones. I've had headphones, but never the earphones. I always thought they were a little gimmicky and easy to lose, hard to keep up with. These are the OnePlus Z Buds. This guy's an artist, this Stephen Harrington guy, and he designed these headphones. He put the logos on, the images on them. So he's supposed to be like a famous artist. Off the top, the case looks really good. Let's open it up and see what we get. And that presentation right there is just really nice. Let's see if we can zoom in on those. Those just look really nice. I'm actually a fan of this design. Let's see what all we get in the box. Pull the tab. That's just a piece that holds the headset. And these are wireless. I don't know if I said that. They do give you. See if we can dump this all out. So yeah, it looks like they did go ahead and throw in some rubber tips for the earbuds. So I guess you could change the colors and whatnot. So that was nice of them. Now for the earbuds themselves. This package is really legendary. That's what they look like. They got them labeled left and right so you know which ones. This is really high quality. And I opened these up and on my OnePlus it actually just said tap to pair. So looks like it's going to be really easy to use with the OnePlus. These as well, I'm going to have to use them for a couple days. Let y'all know what I think overall. But that's what comes when you pre-order the OnePlus. Now, I'm not taking shots at Apple people or Samsung people again, but you order a Samsung or an Apple, pre-order whatever, you're not getting all of this. It's sad that we're at this point in society where, you're not getting things like this that you need to charge the phone inside of the box. So that kind of sucks. But I don't know, maybe we're moving towards completely using wireless charging. I don't know, it's something to think about going forward. I'm going to conclude this video right here. This is the OnePlus 9 Pro. Probably come back with another video after I use it some more and let y'all know what I think. I appreciate y'all for watching. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back in the next video. Peace.